That disappointing jobs report is sparking a bit of a sell-off on the Dow today. We wanted to talk with a few traders here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange and see how they're processing this latest report. With me right now is Ken Polcari. He's with ICAP Securities, and Jason Weitzberg. He's with Seaport Securities. Kenny, I'm going to start with you. Now that you've had some time to go through this report, what's your big takeaway?
You know, it's just further confirmation. We've been getting negative macro data for the last couple of months, and this one really kind of tops the list. You know, people were concerned about it on Wednesday after ADP. In fact, most of the numbers came down, but nobody nearly came down to the level where it actually came out today. So it's further confirmation that the economy is struggling, and I think people are really starting to reassess, and the market is certainly reassessing and has reassessed, and then we'll see going forward. Don't forget, QE2 ends in another couple of weeks, and so therefore that's going to be the real test of is the market able to hold itself.
Hey, Jason, what's your takeaway from the report? Are we just in a soft patch, as everybody's saying?
Well, I mean, I agree with some of the things that Ken said, but quite frankly, a lot of this is baked into the cake. I mean, the volume is anemic. Not a lot of people put a lot of faith in this number. They don't put a lot of faith in a lot of the key data points, the economic data points, and it shows in the volume. The long-term players have really stepped away from the table. They've been away from the table for quite some time. These are momentum-driven moves that we're seeing in the marketplace. We're stuck in a 500-point trading range in the Dow. We have been for the last 3 months. Net, we're still up 5% or 5.5% year-to-date. And I don't think anything's really going to move this market until Congress figures out what they're going to do.
Thanks to both of you. So a broad-based sell-off still underway, though we are off our lows. For CNN Money, I'm Allison Cossack on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.